these two clay masks. So as you probably already know, Creme of Nature has dropped their clay and charcoal pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask, this one. And then I'm going to be holding it against the well-known Aztec clay mask that everyone knows about and everyone loves. If you've used it, then you'll know. So this side of my hair, I've already used the Aztec clay on it. And this side of my hair, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature charcoal and clay mask. So you're supposed to use this on dry hair, so I'm going to test it out and see how that works for me. I don't typically add products on my hair on dry hair, and my hair is a mess, so we'll see. As you can see, I gave the clay mask a try by applying it on my dry hair, but it did absolutely nothing for me. I mean, it wasn't detangling. It just was no penetration. So I added some water and tried again. Okay, so here's my second attempt on applying the product without first applying water, and yeah, just watch it a little more and you'll see my face. On the left side of the screen, I use the Aztec Healing Clay. And on that side of my hair, you can tell that my hair is just a lot more springy looking. My curls are more defined. And that is the reason that I use the Healing Clay. I use it to bring my curls back to life. And because the Creme of Nature side didn't really do that for me, I probably would not be using it in the place of the Healing Clay. Now, I'll definitely use it, but not in place of the Healing Clay. On the side with the Creme of Nature clay mask, it really penetrated my hair strands. You can see that you can barely see the product or any residue left back from the product as it is sitting in my hair. I love the fact that I did not have to mix anything together and I could just open the cap and place it directly onto my hair, versus with the Indian clay, you have to mix it together and you have to make sure you get the right consistency. So that was definitely a plus for me. But I will say that the Indian Healing Clay, I get it from my local beauty supply store for $6, and it is going to last a super long time because you add water and then you get more product that way, versus the Creme of Nature was $6.99 at the local beauty supply store, and it comes in a nice size jar. But if they want you to use the product on dry hair, you do have to use quite a bit of the product. Because Creme of Nature's clay and charcoal clay mask is not 100% bentonite clay, I think I can get away with using it a lot more often than, the once a month that I use the Indian clay. Thank you for watching. Bye.